Lil Tay, aka the youngest flexer of the century, has disappeared from social media, and many are wondering what will happen to the controversial viral sensation. Whether you liked Lil Tay before or you didn't, a change is coming. If you don't know who Lil Tay is, you might be living under a rock, or you probably read books or something and do something else with your time besides watch these videos of a 9-year-old who's a self-proclaimed flexer known for cursing, flashing her money, cars, and multiple houses. However, most of the stuff she's flashing isn't even hers. Anyway, she was well known but went viral after she was spotted at a fight between Bad Baby, aka Danielle Bregoli, and Woah Vicky. Now, recently she's been all over the news, but this time it's because she's deleted all posts on her social media. First, her mom was fired from her job. She was a real estate agent in Vancouver, Canada, and the company she worked for discovered her 9-year-old daughter's inappropriate social media antics, and when they found out that her mom, Angela, was serving as her daughter's manager, they fired her. The director of business development for the company said, quote, "When we found out about this activity last week, we had to dismiss her." Then a couple of weeks ago, some leaked footage came out showing how Lil Tay is actually being manipulated by her older brother.
This cost me $2,000.
This Lil Tay always gonna have enough money. Don't tell me I got some poor money management. Lil Tay money is infinity.
Okay.
And then shortly after that, she was on Good Morning America with her mom and her brother.
She is a well-mannered and a great kid.
But that's not what comes across on the internet.
People think it's like funny, I guess, because I'm 9 years old and I've accomplished so much.
In that interview, she also claimed that she didn't shoot in anyone else's house and no one can prove that she did. And she claimed that she went to Harvard, but when Juju Chang asked her where Harvard was, she didn't know. But one of the most recent controversial posts was a video on World Star Hip Hop that appeared to show Lil Tay smoking hookah. Her brother tweeted this tweet, which seems confirmed that it was her, but for someone who doesn't care what others think, why did she wipe her social media? Well, her brother tweeted this tweet also saying, "Don't worry, me and my sister are going to change up our whole image for the better. We about to come back stronger than ever." So it looks like maybe the hookah video took things too far. I mean, the video did make headlines and was extremely controversial. So it's really not a coincidence that all of her social media was wiped clean shortly after. Now, only time will tell what's next for Lil Tay, but in the meantime, let us know what you think. Do you think that she's changed her image for the better, or do you think her brother is just letting time pass before they start the controversial content again? Or do you not even care about Lil Tay? Let us know in the comment section below, and then click right over here to see why Selena is being accused of ripping off another artist with her Back to You music video. As always, I'm your host, Emilianus Jr. You can find me on Instagram at Emilianus Jr. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here on Clevver News. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.